When outfitting your Jeep Wrangler, GL or Gladiator with additional accessories like lights or winches, an efficient switch panel becomes essential for seamless control and integration. At number 5, the Auxbeam switch panel offers a slim design with 4, 6 or 8 switch configurations. Users appreciate its watertight control unit and solid construction. However, some have noted that the buttons produce a noticeable click sound and don't match the Jeep's interior aesthetics perfectly. Installation is straightforward, but the relay box features a prominent logo that some may find too conspicuous. Coming in fourth, the Voswitch JL120 lower dash switch panel is custom built for Jeep JL and JT models. It integrates directly into the lower dash, offering an OEM-like appearance. Users find it works well for the price, but wish it included ground terminals in the box. The installation is user-friendly, and the panel provides a clean look, maintaining the vehicle's factory aesthetics. Ranked third, the Voswitch JL400 grab handle switch panel mounts conveniently on the grab handle, keeping the dashboard uncluttered. It offers easy access to switches without altering the dash layout. Users report that installation is straightforward, and the panel provides a clean, factory-like appearance. However, its placement may require some adjustment for optimal ergonomics. In second place, the Voswitch JL800 grab handle switch panel is designed specifically for Jeep, JL, and JT models. It features a user-friendly design that integrates seamlessly into the vehicle's interior. Users appreciate its easy installation process and the convenience it offers. The panel provides a clean look, maintaining the vehicle's factory aesthetics. At the top spot, the Voswitch JL300 lower dash switch panel is favored for its seamless integration into the Jeep's lower dash, providing an OEM-like appearance. Users praise its straightforward installation and the convenience of having switches within easy reach. The panel maintains the vehicle's factory aesthetics while offering enhanced functionality for controlling additional accessories. Selecting the right switch panel enhances your Jeep's functionality and ensures a clean, integrated look. Consider your specific needs and preferences to choose the panel that best suits your setup. Check out the products in the description, like the video, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new reviews.